And you look at what happened to gold prices today. $4,110. $4,110. That was the high. It fell to $4,039 an ounce. It closed basically flat where it ended yesterday at $4,076.50 an ounce. And silver was down some 50 cents per ounce, but it's still trading at $50.88, still strong. So here's the deal. Again, you go back to October 16th, Trends Journal. Podcast.
Welcome to Economy Express, your go-to destination for all things economics and finance. Whether you're an experienced investor, an inquisitive student, or just someone who wants to stay ahead in today's ever-changing economic landscape, you've come to the right place. Now, let's get into the details of our news.
Oh, what happened today with the markets? Oh, yes, the NVIDIA's fine. They came out with their forecast, and it was happy days are here again. Oh, yeah. And what happened? The stocks fell today, despite what they call blockbuster NVIDIA results. Bullshit fucking crap. I'm not saying their results weren't great. It's a bigger story. You ready? The Dow was up some 700 points after this stuff came out. 700 points. Yep. Well, it closed down at 386, almost 400 points was down. I mean, it was up 700, closed down 386, yeah. Huh. How about the S&P? And that was up over 2%. Nearly 2%. It closed down 1.56%. NASDAQ, whoop, hey, NVIDIA was up 2.6%. Closed down 2.16%. This total fucking bullshit. But of course they say Jensen Huang, whoever you pronounce his name, the CEO of NVIDIA, reassurance that demand for its current generation Blackwell chips are, quote, off the charts, and he rejected the idea of an AI bubble. Yeah. Dot-com bust 2.0. We were the first to call it. It's in your Trends Journal. Autumn of 1999, when it used to be a quarterly, now it's a weekly. We said it would bust by the second quarter of 2000. And it did in March. NASDAQ fell 80%. You're going to see another bust happen. And what else? Oh, now they're afraid that because the job numbers came out better than expected. And again, who the fuck knows what their real job numbers are? And we're looking for so far I've been looking to see where they've been created, haven't found it yet. And the numbers were 119,000 jobs. And that's more than the economist and the gang had expected. Higher tariffs take toll on growth worldwide. Yep. That was from the Wall Street Journal. The tariff burden, yep. And again, growth worldwide goes back to oil prices. Why is Brent crude going down? Because there's a global slowdown. You ready? This is in today's Wall Street Journal. Office recovery skips many cities. Yep. No kidding. I'm sorry, this isn't today's, it was yesterday's. The emerging recovery in U.S. office market is strikingly uneven, leaving many buildings, neighborhoods, and entire cities behind. You mean the office building bust that we'd forecast? There are failures going on all over. Earlier this year, San Francisco's budget deficit was expected to reach $1 billion by the 27-28 fiscal year, partly because, you ready? Office values are down 50% from their peak.
Crude was down 43 cents a barrel, selling around $63 a barrel for Brent crude. You go back a year ago, it's like $80 a barrel. More supply than demand. There's _ global slowdown going on. Bitcoin down some 2,000 bucks a coin as he went on the air. It's trading at around 87,000 bucks. It's the worst numbers since April. And again, they say because, they need more cheap money too. And there's concern, with the it's a gambler's game. Bitcoin is totally, as we see it, a gambler's game. Again, we're bullish on it because of the Trump team being in it, and we've been bullish on a long time. It's a new gambler's game. And now that gambling game is in trouble. And you look at what happened to gold prices today. $4,110. 4,110 bucks. That was the high. It fell to $4.39 an ounce. It closed basically flat where it ended yesterday at $4, 76.50 an ounce. And silver. Silver was down some 50 cents per ounce, but it's still trading at $50.88. Still strong. So, here's the deal again. You go back to October 16 Trends Journal, podcast, couple of days before gold hit an all-time high. I said there'd be a $500 correction, and it did. And now, I've been saying gold has to stabilize above $4,200 an ounce for a couple of weeks or so. It has to stabilize in that range for $1,200. From there, it goes up again. And that's the way we see it. We don't give financial advice. We're trend forecasters. Budget fears push Japan's debt cost to decade high. Yeah, no, _. Again, gulp, oil prices. The world's, it's going down. It's going now Japan and is ramping up against China. We got to protect Taiwan. You know what the _. You talking about? When all else fails, they take you to war. AI investment boom has gone too far. Warn fund managers. Wow. This is from the Financial Times. Majority of global fund managers think companies are overinvesting as market anxiety grows about the sustainability of artificial intelligence spending. Boom. No, _. But the Financial Times said it yesterday, so now it must be true. Again, the facts are there. We said it first, and now everybody's coming to say to the realization. The tech spending boom is also reshaping credit markets. U.S. companies have issued more than $200 billion of bonds this year to finance their AI-related projects. Oh, speaking of Trump, this is from the Financial Times. Trump family and Saudi partner unveil Maldives resort plan. Yeah, ain't that great? Yeah, and what else? Very important article. Reputation, repudiation as a pillar in East Africa is tarnished. Tanzania has long promoted unity and social harmony. This is an article in the TUR. It's very important because you have to read, and this is what we do. We read the whole thing and outlined the salient points. What do you think of today's show? Do you agree with Celente? Will gold consolidate around the $4,000 area for a while before shooting back up? Or, on the contrary, is the bull market over? Are you buying Bitcoin instead? Post in the comment section down below your honest opinion and share with the stackers your game plan. Thanks for watching. Now, peep this video right here because you'll love it. And I'll see you on the other side.